This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for April 27, 2023. It's currently February 21st, 2023, 7:06 p.m. Eastern Time. And the shuffle file we're about to play was created on February 16, 2023 at 10:33 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this file right here. The overall theme and behavior, this is a pretty interesting day, guys. It's bullish throughout most of the day, but I sense that there's a decline at the very end of the day. It'll be pretty notable and bring us to a low at the end of the day. When we're looking at the 1 month, it's bumping up against resistance. We also have this highest high correlation here, but I think the highest high correlation is probably here on the 26th and the 28th. We should see. It's one of these 3 days, maybe both the 26th and the 28th. But there's a unicursal here on the 26th and a unicursal here on the 28th. There was a unicursal here on the 25th. They're all probably similar, near each other in price range or in price level. But there's a sideways fluctuating rally preceding a decline. The behavior around the highest high in a period of sideways rotation along key support, there's a sharp dip that'll stand out in that period of sideways rotation, bringing us to a support level that was recently a past opportunity. And behavior around the lowest low, there'll be a notable move to the upside out of the low. It'll stand out on a one-day chart. It'll stand out, and it'll be in the face of seemingly overwhelming headwinds. Looks like volume ends up being definitively bearish. So we open lower in the pre-market. Looks like there's a key resistance level in the pre-market that we poke through a few times and then we drop. And then around the open, we're rallying along the diagonal trend line, breaking through horizontal resistance and meet a second resistance, and then we pull back to somewhere between those two price levels and do some sideways rotation along key support. By roughly 10 or 11 o'clock, we're declining with increasing momentum as we move forward into a support level again here between roughly 11 and 12. Support level offers an opportunity, a trade opportunity, and then we have erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level in the mid part of the day, in the midst of which that erratic behavior, there's a crest we revisit, which was recently a past opportunity. I think that's probably erratic behavior throughout most of like the midday. We go from like this decline that increases with momentum to this rally that increases with momentum, and then there's a fake out between 2 and 3. Looks like it's a fake out to the upside between 2 and 3. I'm advised not to chase a rally. There's more volatility in the last hour. And it looks like I'm advised that we'll see a lower price level the following day, even lower than the low that we see at the end of the day here. And that opening up protection, even at that level, would still yield a profit. Sneak preview for the following day. We failed to break through key resistance that we failed to break through once before. And we declined through a key support level. On the scale of a one-day chart, we declined through key support level after the failed attempt to break through key resistance. And that's April 27, 2023. Another thing to point out is that there was a clairkinetic impression that I received for the Tower card and the Magus card, both here on the 27th. So pretty significant move at the end of the day to the downside is my sense. That's April 27, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, my friends, follow the rule of karma, like so many of you beautiful people are doing. You can pay the channel back for all the free work that we do here at the PayPal and Cash App. 5% of the profits you make from the information. And guys, to follow the rule of karma, you must do it every single time. It's not a matter of like putting it off. Every time you make money, it doesn't matter if it's $1 or $100,000. What matters is following the law. If you're saying, oh no, I can't follow the law this time, that's instantaneously scarcity mentality. You don't want to manifest more scarcity mentality. Stay in abundance mind. And the other 5% of the profit should go to one of these charities. Pay it forward, help out people, be somebody's angel. Be somebody's angel investor. And with that said, my friends, I'll see you on the next one.